Hey everyone, it's Liya here again. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to continue learning English through 3 simple dialogues. We have 3 intense real-life conversations ahead of us, from spicy arguments to everyday errands that you'll definitely face when you're abroad. Let's learn it together.
So, are you going to ask for her number next time? Or is texting her on Instagram enough for you?
Wait, what? Who are you talking about?
Oh, don't play dumb, Mark. You know exactly who. Sarah, you were literally throwing yourself at her all evening.
Are you kidding me? I was just being polite. She is my co-worker's sister. I was just trying to make her feel welcome.
Polite? You laughed at every single one of her stupid jokes, and you completely ignored me for an hour. You crossed the line.
Chloe, you are totally overreacting. There is absolutely nothing going on between us. You're making a scene out of nothing.
I am not overreacting. I know what I saw. You were giving her that look.
What look? Look, I love you, and only you. You are being paranoid.
Just save it, Mark. I don't want to hear your excuses right now. Just drive.
No, wait. Look at me, Chloe. I'm sorry. I didn't realize I made you feel that way. Hey, look at me. Sarah means absolutely nothing to me. You are the only one for me, and you know that. No one could ever replace you.
It just really hurt to see you pay so much attention to her.
I know. And I'm so sorry for being careless. I only have eyes for you, Chloe. I love you more than anything.
You'd better.
Always. Now let's go home.
Hi there. I'd like to get my car washed, please.
Good morning. What options are we looking at today? Basic or premium?
What does the premium package include?
Exterior wash, hand dry, wheel cleaning, and tire shine.
Sounds good. Does it include interior cleaning as well?
No, that's an add-on. We can vacuum the inside for an extra $10.
Definitely add that. The carpets are quite muddy.
Got it. Should we also wipe down the dashboard and console?
Yes, please. There's a lot of dust on the dashboard.
No problem. Any specific stains on the seats we should look out for?
Just a small coffee spill on the passenger seat. Can you remove it?
We can spot treat it with our upholstery cleaner. It should come right out.
Perfect. What about the windows? Inside and out?
Yes, premium covers both side windows and the windshield, streak-free.
Great. Oh, and I noticed some bird droppings on the roof.
We'll use a special pre-soak spray to get those off without scratching the paint.
Thank you. How long will the whole process take?
About 20 to 25 minutes. You can wait in our lounge.
Awesome. Do I pay now or after it's finished?
You can pay at the counter inside right now while we get started.
Sounds like a plan. Do you accept contactless payment?
Yes, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and all major credit cards.
Perfect. Here is my car key.
Thanks. Please leave the handbrake down and I'll drive it into the bay.
Will do. See you in 20 minutes.
All right, do we have the shopping list?
I have it in my head. First, we need a cart, not a basket.
Got it. Let's start with the produce section. We need some veggies.
Grab a head of lettuce and a bunch of bananas.
These bananas look a bit green. Should I find riper ones?
No, they'll ripen at home. Move on to the dairy aisle.
Whole milk or skim milk?
Low fat, please. And don't forget a tub of Greek yogurt.
On it. Oh, look. This cheese is on sale, 50% off.
Check the expiration date first, Mark.
It expires tomorrow. Good catch.
I knew it. Next is the bakery. We need a loaf of sourdough bread.
Can we get those chocolate muffins too? They smell amazing.
Mark, we are on a diet. Put them back.
Just one pack, please?
Fine, but only if you choose a healthier cereal for breakfast.
Deal. Going to the cereal aisle now.
Make sure it's whole grain and has no added sugar.
Found one. Now what about the meat department?
We need 2 pounds of chicken breasts and some minced beef.
Frozen or fresh?
Fresh is better. We're cooking dinner tonight, remember?
Right. Do we need any canned goods, beans or corn?
Grab 2 cans of diced tomatoes for the pasta sauce.
Done. Are we missing anything else?
Snacks. Grab a bag of potato chips and some sparkling water.
I thought we were on a diet.
The chips are for our movie night. It's a cheat day.
Fair enough. Let's head to the checkout counter then.
Wait, did you bring the reusable bags from the car?
Oh, I totally forgot them.
Classic, Mark. Go grab 'em. I'll wait in line.
Running now. Don't start scanning without me.
That's all for today. I hope these phrases help you feel more confident. Write in the comments which dialogue was more interesting to you. English is all about being yourself, no matter the situation. See you in the next video. Bye, everyone.